Kumshi benta juga jing Rakhe ka World Literacy Day 2024 na kalyang ka office jing ka District Mission Coordinator SSA Southwest Khasi Hills District menta ka khat tarik unai lur 2024 kala penlong ka program ban Iaid Paidbah bar Ryngkat ka jing ra ki plakat halor ka phang promoting literacy for a world in transition building for sustainable and peaceful societies ya ka bala pensedang adu na lat civil hospital mau kerwat bat la penkut Hamaharam Government High Secondary School Hagabala Sakhi Yakajingwan Nation Benta Arpho Artali ki Skul Ryngkat kinong hikai kinong tray hapo ka office jang ka District Mission Coordinator SSA Southwest Khasi Hills District. Yakani kajing Iaid rally Paidbah la plida uba S Kharbeteng Sub Inspector of School bat la pen board ru yaki kentien lam prang halor kajing Rakhe yakani ka sngi bakarpang bala tip kum ka World Literacy Day.
So 1, 2, 3 more. I declare to open this rally to celebrate the World Literacy Day. Carry out their future. So students must understand, must realize how to judge what are the real knowledge and what are the false promises that you encounter through social media, so that your future will not be affected. So in this way, we can counter dropout among the students and teachers. Also, they have a big role to play when it comes to the dropout, where they must create the classroom interest among the students, so that students they can have interest in their studies and concentrate, and so that dropout can be tackled or can be reduced. So teachers have a very important role to play, and parents also, they have a very important role to play. Encourage to motivate their own child, where they will go to school, they will continue their studies, and help them to see that education is their future. So in this way, we can control the dropout that took place among the students in our state, in our district. The government has emphasized that dropout at any cost must be stopped. So the teachers, the parents, the society as a whole, and from the students themselves, they must understand that this must be stopped. And last but not the least, once again, I remind all the students that you must understand that education is the bridge from misery to hope. Where through education, there is a future, there is a hope for you. And one important point here, we must understand that education does not mean only to get government job, but once you have the education, you can stand in your own feet, and you will not be misled by any false ideas or false promises. I will tell you one example. One lady who is not